So to get into a closed class, you're going to need a special registration form. You also need to get your paper signed by a professor, and then you have to come back to the office and get that paper signed by your advisor.
So a common question that people come into the office for is, how do you register for classes? So you're going to go onto your TU portal. On the top right hand side there'll be a student tools, so go to that. Your picture should pop up with your major, how many credits you have, and things like that. On the left hand side there's a self-service banner, so click on that, and then that takes you to another window where you'll click on student because you're a student. And from there you can go to registration or add drop classes. You go to registration and then you can add or drop a class or register for classes for next semester. So that's how you would add or drop a class or register for a new class.
So after this 2-week period, you need to get this special permission from the professor themselves with that same form that we were just talking about, the special registration form.
Another common question that people come into the office for is, how do you make an appointment with a career counselor? That one's pretty easy. You just just Google Temple University Handshake. Then you put in your TU number and your password. It takes you right to their website, and right on the right hand side it says make an appointment with a career counselor, and you can make an appointment with one of the Temple College of Engineering career counselors who will help you find a job or internship for the summer.
So if there's certain students that have transferred from other universities, or there's just extenuating circumstances sometimes, you have to come before the registration period and ask about a PreReq override form where you might not need a certain prerequisite to get into a certain class.
Another common question is, how do you see what other majors or minors Temple University has to offer? You can just Google Temple University Bulletin and go to schools, colleges, and divisions, and you can see all the different majors, minors, and certificates that Temple offers. So if you're interested in changing your major, want to see any minors or other majors out there, that would be the best way to see what you would need to do this. Final common question that we get is, how do you make an appointment with an advisor? Just go to Temple Grades First, and you should be able to see there's a little request appointment tab on the right hand side. So just do that and you should be set. And then you can come in and meet with an advisor if you have any more complex questions or concerns.